Hey everyone, I'm Adam with UAV Coach, and in this video, we're going to cover everything you need to know to get your FAA Part 107 drone license in the United States. We've helped over 65,000 people pass the Part 107 exam with a 99% pass rate on the first try. So whether you're just starting out or looking to fly commercially, this video will set you on the right path. Let's fly in. In this video, we'll cover why you need a drone license, how long it takes to get certified, what's on the FAA test, the cost of the test, and how drones can benefit you or your team. So let's start with the basics. If you're planning to fly your drone for any commercial purpose, whether it's for hire, part of your job, or even just non-recreational use, you'll need a remote pilot certificate from the FAA under the Part 107 regulations. This certificate allows you to fly your drone legally across all 50 US states and territories. And remember, you'll need to renew it every 2 years. We also cover how to register your drone with the FAA in another video, which you can find here or linked in the description below. Now, you might be wondering how long it takes to get certified. From the moment you start studying to the time you receive your certificate, most of our students take between 4 to 6 weeks. If you do decide to take our course, we have flexible study plans that allow you to set your own pace. The process breaks down into 3 simple steps. First, you study for the test. We recommend our self-paced online course, Drone Pilot Ground School. Next, you take and pass the in-person exam at a local test center. Finally, you apply for your license, which you will do on the FAA's website. And that brings us to our next question. What's actually on the test? The FAA drone license test includes 60 multiple choice questions, and you'll have 2 hours to complete it. To pass, you'll need a score of 70% or higher. The testing fee is about $175, depending on your location. You'll be tested on over 120 concepts, ranging from drone laws and FAA regulations, which can include remote ID and operations over people, the national airspace system, reading and understanding sectional charts, airport operations, weather and micrometeorology, emergency procedures, aeronautical decision-making, and more. It might sound intense, but with the right preparation, you'll be set up for success. A common question we get is whether you need to know how to fly a drone before getting your license. Unlike getting your driver's license, the FAA doesn't require you to demonstrate flight proficiency. Whether you're an experienced pilot or completely new, you can still pass the exam with proper preparation. And that's where our team comes in. We run one of the industry's leading online test prep courses, Drone Pilot Ground School, to help you learn everything you need to pass. Another question many folks ask is how drones can benefit themselves or their team. Well, as you start to dive deeper into the drone world, you will soon start to realize that drones are continuously becoming essential tools in many industries, including real estate, construction, agriculture, transportation, and education, to name a few. And as technology advances, the possibilities are expanding even further. If you're in one of these industries or just want to see the potential of drones, getting your FAA approved drone license is a great investment. If you're interested in getting your Part 107 certification, check out Drone Pilot Ground School here or in the links below. And if you want to learn how to fly a drone, we offer hands-on flight training with experienced instructors across the country. You can find more details in the description below. If you have any questions or thoughts on this process, drop them in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Until next time, blue skies and safe flying.